And I'm going to throw it back to Charlotte for a little bit more BEMA Intel.
Thank you so much, Emily. Thanks for joining me again. After you fill out your survey on that session, please fill out your survey on BEMA Intel. We definitely want to make sure this is meeting your needs. And now I'm joined by Todd Oelschlager, VP of Bakery Sales at Corbion. Todd, just a few quick questions for you. What do you see as the benefit of BEMA Intel?
So like Audrey pointed out, we don't use like a daily report. Comes out quarterly, gives a great snapshot of just study just kind of what's going on in the market and see what other people are seeing, whether it's volume changes, price changes, those kinds of things. Yeah.
And those volume and price changes are by category and even by section of the supermarket. So you can see bread sales on the commercial aisle versus in-store bakery, volume and dollar sale changes on a quarterly and annual basis. So that's pretty exciting. And then Todd, how is BEMA Intel different from other data platforms that you guys use at Corbion?
So I think the pulse survey is really great. I mean, it's folks in the industry giving feedback of what they see coming and what their plans are. I think that provides a lot of value across the board, right? So, and that was a great session, by the way.
Yes, a very insightful session. And yeah, back to you, Emily.
Thank you.